I used to just throw all my cables, chargers, and odd and ends in the bottom of my laptop bag. No more. I have to go through a security checkpoint daily, and this will be a time saver. Instead of the officer having to dig through my bag, I can just unzip this and be on my way. The only small problem I can see is the front pouch says it can hold a small tablet, but my iPad mini 4 with an otterbox Defender will not fit. It doesn't bother me because I didn't plan on using this to store my iPad. I just put all the stuff in the bottom of my bag into this, but I am going to move a few things around so I can also carry my Echo Dot. This is what I have in my bag. Front zipper area 7 multiple size charging cables, micro USB, Lightning 6 HDMI cable, headphone splitter cable, back zipper area 20,000 mAh USB battery charger, 4 battery wall chargers, 2 sets of earphones, multiple DVI, VGA and DVI, HDMI adapters, Odomino, don't ask. I found this other case that works perfectly for my cords and small devices. I would definitely recommend this to anyone in need of a travel case for shows or open mic. This thing is great. I wanted something that could simultaneously carry the following. 1. All my medications, including my monstrous pill organizer, and 2. My large assortment of cords, chargers. Always gotta have extras to help out fellow humanity. I was skeptical the bag would be big enough, but it is. I think this would also be a nice travel makeup bag for someone who uses fewer products than my high-maintenance self. This is a great organizer. It holds everything I need for my phone, tablet and more. I was able to get some bulky things in too, like a portable speaker, camera and camera charger, small keyboard, and other things. One of the zippered sides is deeper than the other to accommodate the bulkier things without the bag being too thick. I also like the different sizes on the little pockets that hold wires. It is well made, has an outside pocket and strap. It should hold up quite well. Highly recommended. The person I purchased this for travels frequently for work. He previously had multiple spots in a backpack for all the various things he needed and wanted during flights, ID, iPad, chargers, medicine, etc. Now he uses this case to organize and keep everything he uses to check in and during his flight. It's very easy to pull the bag out of his backpack instead of having to bend over and rifle through his pack. A surprising amount of stuff fits in this case. Passport, phone, iPad mini, multiple chargers, electrical outlet adapter, international travel, pain meds, toothbrush and toothpaste, credit cards, earbuds, chapstick, sunscreen, earplugs, travel-sized cologne, pens, etc. Seriously handy and surprisingly compact. See pic and Roku remote as size reference. Nice material, quality zipper, and well made. This bag is exactly what I needed. I ordered the smaller one first, but exchanged it for this one. I needed extra space for my big MacBook Pro charger. I went from a tangled mess of cords in a bag, to now having them all organized and visible. I know I have everything I need when I travel. I'll give these as gifts and give them to all my kids. Great quality. I love the gray color. I have a lot of peripheral devices for my phone and tablet, external battery, micro USB cables, multi-port USB charger, portable Bluetooth keyboard, portable phone stand, memory cards, etc. Click link in description for more reviews.